SG's got mail. Living life well, got suspended from school cause I brought my slap for show and tell. SG's got a plan, stacks in my hand. Money gotta stretch just like a wristband. Keep a lot of hoes, something like a strip club. Trying to deal with Master P cause I agreed on riding dubs. Pull up in mint green, leather Listerine blue. She staring at my mouth, precious cuts from Peru. SG's riding chrome, screens glow with King Kong. If you say I don't wreck, then you listening wrong. If a nigga want beef, let him know that he can have it. Cause my Glock throw away something like a dirty mattress. SG's bring pain, candy bundles in each lane. If I don't get a deal, then it's back to cocaine. Black roof got a trim, SG's on my brim. Took my slab to science classes, I took to the frog with my rims. Me and Peter mic breaker, never been a faker. Gotta stake your paper when you put a those my good gon' glow. Tailgate might hit the floor when I press the buttons gon' get low. Got bang in my trunk, open those lead holes drunk. Piece of chain gon' hang low and I'ma act the ass like a drunk hoe. Candy coated my Bronco, now changing colors like a rhymestone. Gave these hoes my 7 digits, now they won't stop calling my phone. I'm a superstar, riding on chrome. Banging hoes like me alone. Don't get there. You better realize who you fucking with, call me a coach. I train my trunk to do backflips. Gotta maintain money on my brain. Hit the brakes, hit the locks, now let's make the exchange. Hit the screen, since they on glow. The wrecking MVP, some call me a pro. Like Tuck, I'm a rider. Cuff your hoe for I slider. SGZ dress code, Jabot the Prada. Bitch made ass niggas seem to be scary. Dollar my nigga Tom, I'm addicted to blueberry. I stay on the grind trying to get this paper flip. Slab got a gloss to it like a cigarette that's dipped. Swinging in the lane, my whole clique bang. If you want plex, I discombobulate your frame. Ain't no hoe in me, nigga I'm a G. 28's chopping up the concrete. I'ma stay thawed, hoes wanna take control. Eating shrimp and steak like a millionaire suppose. Niggas got keys like a piano. I never did play throw flames at them no. SG's gon' stay thawed, truck hopping like a toll. They shit don't broke hoes. I'm known for wrecking mics, through emotions like I'm riding a bike. From where Roy Jones fight, shit on niggas like. Real recognize real, I'm throwed over X pill. La line, you gon' get killed. Real G's in the battlefield. I'm swinging in the lane. Yellow bone giving me brain. She was drunk when she saw the chain. Candy all over the frame. Mr. Screens on glow. I'd rather be called Moon. Solo album coming soon. I gotta go pitch, so stay tuned. Six hoes and 32s. If you ain't know that's the new rule. Tailgate dragging the old school. If you gon' be some shit on you. I told you once before. Cause 10 times in my ears low. Go back half and I can't go. On the ground and I ain't talking dog. Shout out to a boss bird. I miss shit if you ain't heard. CD selling out the trunk, and my passengers the pump. You parents the broke niggas, discombobulate they figure. Finger itching for the trigger, like Wayne Bardo nigga. Money has been made, no face, switch the braids. Eyes low from haze, slabs day to day. The real gon' relax, so 12's gon' impact the whole damn hood. Dashboard filled with wood, they know that I'm the best, so why they even test? The dime twisting up bro, I'm strapping up my bag. We on a paper chase, these haters gon' hate. We got the streets on live, no screens and no shots. 28 stepping up the grass.